80s classic at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1983 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale Sedan. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 105,000 on this one. Take a look at the front fascia, bumper, headlight surrounds. Of course, 5-liter V8 underneath the hood. It'll be a 307. And this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, and that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726, and check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Riding on the Oldsmobile, wire wheel covers, white wall radials. There are a couple, if you notice, there was a couple just real small. There's one, you can kind of see it. A couple little dingers on the hood. Paint does show its age a little bit. This would be a dark gray fern metallic with the padded vinyl top. That is light gray fern. And same for the interior. Cloth, vent seat up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer, start it up, let you hear it run. This we're headed back here. So like I said, there's a few spots. Paint does show its age some. If you're looking for a nice full-sized rear-wheel drive 80s cruiser, here you go. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Filler panels don't look too bad back here. Faded some, but still intact. You have the crack in the center, and then a little bit of sun bake kind of back here in the paint. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. There'll be either side of 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side. Take a peek in the rear seat. Door panels, interior, very nice in the rear. Free of rips, tears, holes. I do want to let you know, headliner will need a little attention. Previous owner has propped it up, but if you wanted it like it was from the factory, it's going to need a little TLC. All right, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC in this car. The text did note that the compressor did not kick on and off on the AC. Owner elected to reflect it in the price and sell it the way that you see it. I think there was one little separation spot right there also on the seat. Let's go ahead and start it up. Did have the radio working. That was fine. Car appears it was stored indoors, considering the condition of that dash. Also in nice shape. Sounds and runs as you'd expect. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Doors closed nicely, nice fit. Let's go up to the front and pop this hood. Check out the engine base. I'm going to pause it a second, get this hood open, check it out, wrap up this video. Get a look at the underside of the hood. And the 307 5-liter. Looks like a newer booster and master cylinder there. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Not all full of corrosion. Runs smooth, sounds good. '83 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale Sedan. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. Confirmed miles. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1983 Oldsmobile Delta 88. Feels like a very low mile vehicle. Our turn signal indicators are working well. Speedometer works. The fuel gauge is reading full. Accelerates as you would expect. Radio working good. This is an automatic on the column. Cruise control does function. Very smooth ride as you would expect from an 80s Oldsmobile. Kind of one of the luxury brands. The odometer reads 5,010 miles. I'm not sure if that is correct, but it does seem like a low mile vehicle. Blower motor does work as well. Comfortable cloth split bench seat. Brakes working well. Corners as you would expect. Really nice condition Oldsmobile from 1983. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.